As you've probably noticed, I've got certain new headphones. The HyperXs, which I'd had them 5.5 years, and whilst they still worked, sort of basically just the headband piece was sort of like just looked tatty and starting to kind of fall to bits. So yeah, new headphones, wireless ones as well. So SteelSeries Arctis 7s. So giving them a go. I haven't got a cable trailing around here anymore, so I can just move my head around as much as I want to and stuff. So it's all good. I'll tell you what, guys. Should we do a little bit of a kind of like a sort of like tech, sort of YouTuber tech sort of like reviewer sort of like thing? Test the built-in microphone on these, just see how it sounds in comparison. Let me just get it all kind of set up. So let's just do a couple of things over here on OBS. So which one is it on it? There we go. So we'll plug that in. So right, let me just turn the normal microphone off. So can you hear me? Still hear me? Looks like it. So it looks like I'm actually peaking quite high on that. So let's just turn it down a little bit. I don't know what the quality on it's like, but let's see how trash the mic is. Yeah, I mean on the audio levels, as I say, with just the in fact that's about halfway down the sliders. So I've had to turn it down quite a fair bit to get it out of the kind of red zone. But yeah, I don't. It'll be interesting to hear about what the quality of that's like on the sort of like the pod later. Let's spin the other mic back on. So let's just press a few buttons over here. Okay, so should be back to the normal mic now. Let's pop that back in.